Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades, and look at this bargain I found. Satin enamel that was on clearance, and only thing is it's in teal, but I like teal, so I'm gonna give it a try and see if I can get a cloudy effect. I'm gonna mix it with Jerry's medium and varnish. And I'm going to use some Liquitex Dioxinne Purple and this is Art Minds Mysterious. This is kind of a pearly metallic deep turquoise. Also going to use some Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White. And let's check this out. Oh, this is so pretty. I love this color. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna just layer it in my cup. And now I'm gonna mix some of this Jerry's medium in here and stir it up. Didn't use a whole lot. Just enough to thin it a little bit. And I think that'll work. So here's what happened. I poured this and I like the way it looks, except for the fact that the purple seemed to kind of take over and I wanted more teal in it. So I just layered these same identical colors in my cup again, only I used less of the Dioxinne Purple and more of the turquoise or the teal satin enamel, and then I'm going to see what I can get with this. So I'm just going to heat it up a little bit and move it around. This seems to have a lot more of the turquoise in it and the teal in it, and I like that. I just wanted really kind of a hint of the purple, and it just kind of took over in the previous pour. So I'm liking the looks of this though. Still don't really see that cloudy effect that I was hoping to get. So bring it in up close for you. It's pretty. I think it could be prettier. It's not the look that I was really after. So feel like I need to do something else with it. And I decided to do a balloon smash. However, I don't have a balloon, so I blew up one of my gloves and I'm going to use it to try to do a balloon smash. See what happens. So this is just a test, and this is that's kind of cool right there. This is a 6x6 canvas, so I use these smaller ones to test stuff on. So I think I'll just keep balloon smashing. Oops, right there. Kind of took the paint off that corner. So I'll have to try to fix that. But just want to see what I can do here. I like that look right there. That's pretty. That glove is like major big. I kind of like the way this is looking. smash it a few more times. See what we get. Of course, I'm bringing a lot of that purple back up, but it's kind of a pretty design. Ooh, that one's pretty. I like that one. So I like this look right here, but that one in the center that's so big, I think it needs some lightening up a little bit. So I'm going to add some white and then just dip my balloon back down into it and try to spread it around. And this is what happened. I like it. I like it. So, save this one. Here is the dried results. And I think it turned out really pretty. I like all the colors that are mingling together and like the floral kind of abstract look to it. So if you have enjoyed my experiment, please click like and share. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking that subscribe button. If you ring the bell, you'll get notified when I upload future videos. And if you have any comments, leave them below. Questions or suggestions for future paintings. I always enjoy reading your feedback, and I appreciate you taking time out to watch me do these videos. So I want to thank you, and I'll leave you with this view here. Hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.